Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have everything ready, so start. Open the Office App Launcher or Microsoft Designer Entry and click Sign In. Enter your email or phone linked to the Microsoft account. This tells the service who you are. Next, type your password, make sure Caps Lock is off, and submit. If you use an organization account, the system may redirect you to a company sign-in page. Once redirected, follow the prompts so Designer can verify your identity and present your available features. Once done with the basic sign-in, complete two-factor authentication. Approve the push or enter the numeric code from your Authenticator app because this step secures your session. Next, select the correct account if your browser shows multiple profiles. Selecting the wrong one can block access to paid features. Make sure to grant permissions Designer requests like storage and media access. Without them, image import and templates won't work. After permissions, you'll land in the Designer workspace, ready to create. Finish by confirming you see your name and subscription tier in the corner. This confirms feature access. If you encounter errors, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens, and make sure browser extensions aren't blocking requests. If problems persist, clear the browser cache or try a private window, because stale cookies often cause login loops. Finally, gather the exact error message and account ID. Then contact IT or Microsoft support. This speeds resolution when...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.